Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody wanted the United States map, which I've had for several years, and if you'd like it, I could send this to you. It's a pretty clean vector map of all the states. Well, it's even got Alaska. I must have messed around with Hawaii at one point. But anyway, they wanted to print it out. They're actually going to make the boundaries white and do some different things with color, but they wanted the state of Texas kind of like to pop out. So we're going to do it. And there's probably several ways to do it. I'm going to set my nudge factor on, well, we'll see what it is. It's set on 10. I am going to take a smart fill tool and fill it in. And then I'm going to nudge it down. I'm actually going to nudge it down twice. I am going to left click, right click, and this is where you can kind of decide how much you want it to stand out. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the outside just one time, 0.03 with rounded corners, and I get that. Now I am going to go to Object and break the contour apart. I am going to take blue and fill in the normal shape of the state, well, in my example. And then I'm going to take away I hope I took it away, take away the inside one. So this new one's a little bit bigger. So I'm now going to color that in with gray, and I'm going to take away the outline. And now I'm going to go to Effects and Blur and Gaussian Blur. And this is where you can do it to your heart's content. I would suggest maybe saying okay and then putting your state back on top of it. And anytime I do some sort of blur, I get it slows down my computer. That's pretty cool. But you can still grab that shadow and go back to Effects and Blur and Gaussian Blur, and you can still change that shadow if you want to go more. In this way, you can kind of see what it's going to look like. I'm going to say about right in there, so it's got some definition, maybe even a little bit less, and then say okay, and then grab it all and just hit your keyboard twice and put it back up there. I'm hoping that's what they were asking. You could actually do it, but it'd be a little bit time consuming to extrude it out and have this at an angle where you can see the state of Texas kind of popping out. But whenever you do this many lines and extrude, it kind of slows down the computer. But if you would like that map, I'll send it to you. Just email me. I'll put my email at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped them, and thank you for watching.